My black queens, I just want to tell you something that I knew all along, but I never embraced it. Come on, ladies. Let us all embrace our beautiful hairs. Look at this. Look how beautiful is my hair. And it is very long. It's a very, very long hair. Look at that. Yeah? It's a very long hair. Guys, let me tell you something. When you all those people who are relaxing their hair, I want you to stop today. Stop relaxing your hair. Shave it all and start your fresh. Start afresh, girl. No. Start afresh. Look at this. Natural. It's so natural. Shave your hair, girl. Oh, relax.